Here's a quick view of SLC number 26, getting ready to head out. It's got an LS7 motor, fire red pearl paint, and nice little tow hook up front, carbon fiber front vents. It's got the automatic doors, of course, carbon fiber mirrors. You notice something's missing in the back. The wing wasn't here, it went to the owner's house, so it's there waiting for him to get delivered. It's got the Lotus Elise tail lights in the back again, 3-ring halos in each one, custom intake scoop on top, the engine vents. You can see into the engine, the nice LS7 dry sump. Exhaust on this one, side exhaust. And the interior stepped it up a little bit again. We got 4 speakers, 2 in the doors with the tweeters, and 2 behind the seats, behind the headrest there. Tillett seats. Soft feel paint on the tub. It's the first car to get that. We got a 7-inch Android screen in there. You notice I did a little bit of red accent around the shifter and the switch panel and around the dash pods to break up the black a little bit. Quick release steering wheel, and you can see it's packed and ready to go back there. Carbon fiber closeout panels. It's got the half windows. This has been the most popular color for an SLC after I started this color on my GTR. But it's beautiful and all light. It's nice in the sun, nice in the shade. And the clear is a House of Color custom show clear. It's all ready to go. Oh, it's got also, instead of the Graziano, it's got a Porsche box back there. So that's number 26.